Jai Bharati. Namaskar. Today we will discuss about the concept of Ishwara or Bhagwan as the spider of the cosmos. So let's start. See, in Vedanta, it is said that the Supreme Lord or Ishwara is both the material cause and the intelligent cause of the universe. And it is just like the spider. Now, this spider creates a web, but the spider doesn't go outside to collect material for the web. It creates the web from itself, and it sustains it, and finally withdraws it back into itself. Means it can eat this web back. So Ishvara, it becomes the universe like the web, governs it and dissolves it. So this is the concept of Ishvara as the spider of the cosmos. So now let's understand the two causes. One is the material cause from which the universe is made, which is called the Upādāna Kāraṇa. So by Upādāna Kāraṇa, the universe is made. And there is an intelligent cause. This is the Nimitta Kāraṇa, where it designs, creates and governs. So in ordinary creation, it can be different. But in Ishvara, so in this spider case, Bhagwan is both the Upādāna Kāraṇa and the Nimitta Kāraṇa. Now let's understand. Suppose there is gold. So that is the material cause or Upādāna Kāraṇa. But the goldsmith, with his tools and intelligence, it creates ornaments. So that is the Nimitta Kāraṇa. So in this, in the gold ornament situation, there are two different people. One is the gold, other is the goldsmith. Similarly, the pot is the material cause or Upādāna Kāraṇa, and the Nimitta Kāraṇa is the potter who makes the pot. So Upādāna Kāraṇa with the potter is the clay from which the pot is made, and the potter which gives the design, how to use whether different shapes and sizes, just similar to the ornaments. But in this spider theory, both the material cause and the intelligent cause, means the Upādāna Kāraṇa and Nimitta Kāraṇa, comes from the spider only. So that is what the concept of Ishvara as the spider has come into place. Now, in Bhagwan Krishna, in 9th chapter, Shloka number 7, he says, so in this Shloka, Bhagwan says, the Shloka is like this: Sarva bhutani kaunteya prakritim yanti mamikam kalpakshaye punastani kalpado vrisujamyaham. So he says that, hey Kaunteya, or hey O Arjun, at the end of the cosmic cycle, all the beings merge into my Prakriti. And at the beginning of the next cycle, I again recreate them, or I send them forth again. So he says the creation cycle. He talks about the creation. Now, in the second shloka, shloka number 8 of chapter 9, he says, the shloka is like this: Prakritim swamavastabhya vrisjami punah punah bhutgramam imam kritsnam avasham prakrite vashat. So he says, controlling my own prakriti, I create again and again all beings who are helpless under the influence of nature. Here, under the influence of nature means everyone is influenced by his swabhava because of the gun and karma. Means the quality of the person and the action. Because of that, a person gets a nature, a swabhava. So according to that, and because of that particular swabhava, I am able to create them again and again, again and again. So here we can understand that Prakriti or the nature is the material cause or the Upādāna Kāraṇa. And Ishvara, here as an example you can take Krishna, is the Nimitta Kāraṇa or the creator. And it's like web, this web of the spider. He creates from himself. Like we all are created from the same black hole, and once again we'll go back to the same black hole. We all emerge from Ma Kali and again we'll go back to Ma Kali. So similar example. The spider creates the web, it sustains it. All this maya, all this drama across the web happens, and then eats it back, dissolves it. And for him, both are inseparable. The Upādāna Kāraṇa and the Nimitta Kāraṇa, the material cause and the intelligent cause, are inseparable. Bhagwan in chapter number 14, Shloka 3, he says about the cosmic womb. So we'll take that shloka also. So the shloka, he says about the cosmic womb. The shloka is like this: Mama yoni mahad brahma tasmin garbham dadhadyaham sambhava sarva bhutanam tato bhavati bharata. So here Bhagwan says that my womb is the great Brahman or the Prakriti, in which I place the seed. From that, all beings are born. And the next shloka, shloka number 4, Bhagwan says, so the shloka 4 is like this: Sarvayonishu kaunteya murtaya sambhavantiya Tasam Brahma Mahadyoni Aham Bij Pradapita. So here he says that in all the wombs, O Arjuna, Prakriti is the mother and I am the seed giving father. So he means that Prakriti or the Mahadyoni or the cosmic yoga or the biggest yoga is the material cause, and Ishvara is the intelligence cause who gives the seed. So, and that creates the entire world. So, and they are both inseparable, as we have seen in this spider's case. So, Again, further, Bhagwan in chapter number 9, Shloka 4, he says, so the Shloka is like this: Maya tatam idam sarvam jagat avyakta murtina matsthani sarva bhutani na chaham teshu avasthita. So he says, the entire universe is pervaded by me in my unmanifest form. All beings exist in me, but I am not limited by them. So you can take again the example of spider also, and or the gold also. The gold is all the ornaments, but the necklace is not this thing, because they are different. Gold is necklace, but necklace is not exactly, because it is having a shape size. Like spider is web, but web is not spider. So this is the what he says. Like a famous example of the ray theory, means there is white light, it enters into a prism, spreads into 7 different lights, web cure. Let's take red. So white is in red, but red is not equal to white. So this is the difference. So that is why he says, all beings exist in me, but I am not limited by them. Now the next shloka, Bhagavan says in shloka number 5. So the shloka is like this: Na cha matsthani bhutani pashya me yogam aishwaram bhut bhrin cha bhutastho mamatma bhut bhavana. So here he says that all the beings, they do not truly exist in me. Behold my divine mystery. I sustain all beings, yet remain untouched. So the spider is actually different from the web. He sustains it, but is unattached. You can see the entire drama happening in the web. So this is what is the spider analogy as the cosmic spider. So the spider creates the web from itself, which is the material cause. The spider is intelligent, it designs the web. It is the intelligent cause, and this spider withdraws the web, so it is dissolution. Here we can see all the three happening, means Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. The material cause means it has created Brahma, then it sustains also, and then it dissolves also. So, Ishvara is the substance of the universe. Ishvara is the intelligence behind the universe. And Ishvara is the one whom the universe dissolves. So, the creator, the creation, and the cause are all one. They are inseparable. So, this is the analogy of the spider or the cosmic spider. Hope you liked it. Because one has to understand the material cause, how it comes, the intelligent cause or the Nimitta Kāraṇa, and how things get dissolved. It's all being done by the spider only. So, thank you. Namaskar. Hope you have understood it. Again, thank you. Namaskar. Jai Bharat.